it's your girl Ari back with another video. Today's video is an Amazon nail supply haul, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. We'll get right into it. We're going to see what I got. We can start off with this package. So let's see. I ordered some C-Curve natural nail tips. I got 2 bags of these from Amazon. Then what else? I got these Infalab. Basically this is liquid for a skin protector. If I cut the cuticle or something, I put these drops on the cut so it can stop the bleeding. And I think these was, I can't remember, they was $6 or $9 or whatnot. I got those in case I made a mistake. Somebody's cuticles. If I like it, I'm gonna add it in my nail favorites on Amazon. Then I got these Bear nail before these big. We're gonna open the big boy. Ooh, thanks to Babe. This spoils me. Let's see what's up in here. Cut my key. I'm using my card to cut it. Let's see what I got, because I'm still a beginner and I needed extra stuff I haven't quite got yet that I'm way behind on. So this is how it looks in the box. Well, the first item I got that got nothing to do with nails is my Stacy lash glue for my lash extensions, because I do lashes too. This was $25. Yeah, and I needed this because I have a client coming tomorrow at 1 p.m. So I had to re-up on some glue for her lashes. And what else I got these some practice hand fingers. These was like $6 or some change. I think this is like acrylic powder. Mia's Secret Cover Beige acrylic powder. You guys see this? I needed a nude color because I had a lot of colors, but I need nude because people can make like French tips with nude, and that's like a go-to color besides white. I got dental bibs, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want to mess my nail table up, so I got these. It's waterproof, like the liquid wouldn't seep through and mess up the table, so dental bibs is a must if you do nails. They're good for tattoo artists. And this next thing I got is like a drill bit holder organizer. I'm gonna put my nail drill bits in here. It's pretty big too. Like that. Just put that on it, and I can just sit it on my cart or my table. I ordered some more drill bits. I definitely needed these. I already have some, but I needed like a better quality. I got me some 50, 80 grit files because I ran out of files and I needed some more. These was, I don't know if these was like $20 or $10, I can't remember. I got these because you know, files be getting done. And I got some nail jewelry, art crafts for the nails. They so cute. I can't wait to put these on my nail. You know what? I'm about to get mad. Why on Amazon they make stuff bigger than what it actually appears to be? I got me some confetti type nail glitter stuff. No wonder it was $6, because on the freaking app, it look bigger than what it looks like. I don't know why I thought they was huge. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm missing an item that hasn't came in the mail yet, because it's, I don't know what they said. Let me see. They said they're running late with this last order I got, which is KDS nail glue, because I need to restock on that. They said it's running late, and I think I got like 30 of them. It's always that one item you missing when you want to do a haul. I think that's everything. I will list all the items I just got down in the description box. thank you guys for watching my Amazon nail supply haul video. That is all the items that I have right now. The other stuff I got is the car paper towels that go on top of the nail bed, all that stuff. My boyfriend brought that in my back room, and I got Lysol wipes. But other than that, all I'm missing is my nail glue. If I like these items, I would list them in my nail faves. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit them thumbs up, share, do what you gotta do.